We're crossing through this drainage, and you can see the shelf on the side where we came into, and the trail comes in around. You know, between this side of the drainage and this side is maybe 100 yards at the most. There's Tammy making her way down. But to get that 100 yards, you've got to come all the way in here. You've got to climb around back there, come out here in this kind of tongue of debris that's filling up the drainage, as we're doing now. You've got to walk down the ridge line of this debris, and it's probably, I don't know, 20-25 feet or so down off the edge of that. And then once you get to the bottom, you have to come all the way back up here and climb up to about where that one out of place reddish brown rock is, and the sea of greenish gray, to get back up to the trail, to head back out this way and make your 100 yards of river distance.